the benefit of not knowing too much and having a really open mind, and not to say it's anything unique, but genuinely coming in with a like, why, or why, how come it's like that, has been so helpful, because it's been able, because of that naivety, I suppose, it's allowed us to have some really interesting conversations, which addresses those principles that have kind of, for whatever reason, set in stone. So, example, you mentioned before, universities research is early, very, very early. And I mean, that's a very normal thing for people to think, right? But then when we get into it, so the universities will go, hey, Keong, OTB, please have a look at this project. We think there's commercial opportunity. There is a commercial opportunity here. And in most cases, universities, as you know, Chris, a lot of them have their own funds now. So they're investing too. They would like to invest in these researchers too, and that research group. Through that lens, it's not as early as what people think. And I think that is another very, very interesting point. Yes, the TRL might be low, but our belief is that TRL, the big inflection points in a lot of these projects, as you would know, Chris, is going from TRL 3 to maybe 4 to 5, which most people might not be aware of what TRL is, but maybe most listeners do. But you're talking about something that has worked in the lab, and you just want to see if it can be replicated out of the lab in a very small scale. Could be a prototype, but that, if it can be done, is a really big deal, because that sets the foundation for commercialization.